myself, and I'm going to be doing a very special stupid noise of the week, Christmas noise for 2014. In a minute, I just need to finish bashing these down. Oh, these ones at the back are coming up. Oh, that's no good. Oh no, this toy's broken. Right, off to the get repaired. Okay, so here's this year's stupid noise of the week for Christmas 2014. Thank you. Have a lovely Christmas. And there might be a New Year's Christmassy type stupid noise of the week too. So keep your eyes open for that one. It won't be me though, because I won't be here. I'll be having a nice rest and having my feet up on beach and on a Christmas beer. Oh. Cheers, Merry Christmas.
This week's Stupid Noise of the Week is sponsored by Beards. This is in aid of Decembeard. If you're growing a beard for Decembeard, good on you. If not, donate now.